Is this a good paper fig? Yeah, this one's nice. This is actually my favorite beach for mini shells, which are my favorite kind of shells. Today, it doesn't look like as much as I usually find, probably because they're all hidden in here. Whoa. I don't even know what this is. It's like some type of sea biscuit. And here's another one. I've never found anything like this. I could like crush it so easily. It's very delicate. It's like inflated. Hair Whelk. I love the colors on this one. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I don't even know what this is, but it looks so cool. And it's like an albino version. You guys will have to tell me what that is. Going to get my net, guys, and scoop in the water, see what's up. Oh, hello, this just came. Oh, it's empty, almost. Let's see. Yeah, it's empty. I like it. It's empty. I don't want to take anything that has something in it. Yep, it's empty. Woohoo! Pretty crab shell. I'm gonna get this for my mom. She does all types of art. Hopefully it doesn't break in my bag. I like the orange color of this banded tulip. Comment which is your favorite shell and I'll make sure to get you some. If you guys love banded tulips, let me know so I can send some your way. Cute baby ear. An old lightning whelk. A little lightning whelk that has nice colors. Let's see what else we got around here. I see a giant nutmeg over there by the water. I guess I should look before the waves take him back. I've also never seen a nutmeg alive. I don't know what they look like. But if I find one, I will definitely show you guys. Let's see how my crab shell is doing, if it's broken yet. Oh, it's still pretty good. Okay. Try to make sure he's in there safely. Another nutmeg. With some barnacles, I'll leave him. I know there has to be a lentil trap here. I've never come to this beach and not found a lentil trap. This is the beach for them. It's where they like to go. So big. Okay, let's see what tinies we can find here. Tiny little periwinkle that I'm not going to take. I like this periwinkle. It looks like it might be alive. It has great colors. Yeah. It's definitely holding on to life. What about this orange? Is it alive? No. That's a beautiful one. I like this fighting conch baby. Cute little lightning whelk. Cute little oyster drill. variation. Nice little juvenile fighting conch. Another little oyster drill. Chestnut cherubim. Spiny jewel box. I like the colors on this Florida fighting conch. It has these weird spots though. I don't know if those are alive, so I'm not going to take it. This banded tulip is definitely alive, sticking out. Trying to get back in the sand. This horse conch's kind of beat up. I like to see what's buried around the pen shells. That's where the big horse conchs are usually buried if they've deceased. Ooh. Is this a true tulip or is this just an old banded? I think this is an old banded. Nutmeg in here. That one's in pretty good shape. Periwinkle, alive, maybe. If it looks alive, I'm not taking it. Oh, this orange horse conch looks alive. Oh, it has a hermit crumb. Okay, there you go, buddy. Back to your spot. Ooh. Wow, I love this one. And it's empty. So beautiful. It's really nice. So today has been a day for horse conchs and baby ears. That's what I'll say. I found the most of that I actually took with me. Beautiful calico clam. Oh, I thought this olive was going to be alive, but it's not. Look at this lightning whelp. It's not alive, but I'm going to leave it. Back home, and anyone knows me knows I need a good handful pick. I think this is a good combo right here. Some baby ears, paper fig, pear whelks, crab shells, sea biscuit, sunrise Venus clam, rib drill, little banded tulip. Pretty good assortment, I would say.